So as discussed in the last video, today I will show you how we can manually eliminate those plosives in RX. I will take previous example so you can relate with that. Let me play the audio for you.
Upon and upon and
Now, do you see those three squares at the bottom of the spectrogram? In Izotope, you can not only just select frequency or time as an independent tool, but it also lets you select time and frequency at the same time. Isn't that great? So let's say we want to eliminate the plosives here. Ideally, we can take same consonant from any other word and just copy paste that consonant and it will work just perfectly fine. But let's say in our case we don't have such word and still we want to remove the plosives. So for that, select frequency tool here. I want to remove till let's say about 200 hertz. So I will just simply copy paste from the area where there is no plosives.
upon and upon and upon and
Before,
upon and upon and
after,
upon and upon and upon and
and that is how you can manually get rid of plosives. And sometimes this is very helpful in the audio where the plugin might not detect all the plosives in a detailed manner from the input signal that we give. Now keep in mind this example also has a big click in it. So because of that you might hear a pop in the sample but the blow has been removed. And to remove the click or let's say the pop, I will make a different tutorial for it. Let me show you another example. I will take the same podcast audio that I'm currently working on. So let me just go ahead and play the audio for you.
pray for you, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you,
So you hear how praise
pray
sounds,
pray
right? The letter P, it is a hard consonant. So now what I will do is I will take again the time frequency tool, copy the area where there are no plosives, let's say like here, and I will just simply copy paste it.
pray for you and myself, pray for you, pray pray for you, pray for you,
Before,
pray for you, pray for you, pray for you,
after.
pray for you, pray pray for you, pray for you,
This shows how powerful Isotope is in terms of audio post production or audio repair. When it comes to editing audiobook or podcast editing, I cannot rely more on how important this tool is. And I think you will not regret buying this. If you want to try out Element feature, you can still try out. And all the things which I just did, you can also do that in Elements version also. Comment below what else you want me to show you when it comes to podcast and audiobook editing.